Here's how to embed audio in a Google Doc so readers can play it directly from the document. Google Docs does not support native audio embedding, but you can link audio stored in Google Drive directly from the document, which gives readers one-click access to the file. Open Google Drive and click New, then File Upload. Upload your audio file and wait for it to finish. Right-click the uploaded file and click Share, then Share again. Change the general access from Restricted to Anyone with the link and click Copy Link. Go back to your Google Doc, type a clear label for your audio link, something like "Click here to listen" makes it obvious to readers. Highlight that text and click Insert at the top, then click Link. Paste the Google Drive audio link and click Apply. The text is now a clickable link. When anyone viewing the document clicks it, they will be taken directly to the audio file in Google Drive where it plays in the browser. A tip: if your document has multiple audio clips, label each link clearly with what it contains. For example, Introduction Audio or Chapter 3 Recording, so readers know what they are clicking before they open it. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.